2.5 months in the wet Sundays. In this episode we decide to sail north and west through the Gloucester Passage and towards Bowen, where we're going to do a family trip up to Magnetic Island. Looking forward to it. Slide the head.
Yeah!
Paddington.
Shake your bottom!
Hey, baby.
Yep.
Magnet Islands. You just see Gloucester Island over the top. This is Gumbrel Island. Solar panels keeping the water maker going. Autopilot, stereo, fridge. We made it through Gloucester Passage on a full tide with barely half a metre under the keel. It's hair raising at times. Picked up a mooring and had a wicked day at the eco resort. Music playing, nice lunch, fantastic spot. Around the headland from the eco resort is the famous Monty's, where we arranged to meet my father for a fantastic day lunch, looking out on Gloucester Island and enjoying the beautiful food and company.
Hold your hat!
Over a long lunch at Monty's, it was agreed that sailing another 100 miles, which we would have to return upwind, we'd sail across to Bowen and leave the boat in the marina and take the car up to Magnetic Island and explore. Maybe that's the easier option. Bowen is actually a cool town and not worth missing. From here we did the road trip up to Magnetic Island with some family shots we hope you will enjoy. After a few great days on the island, we returned to the mainland, got our yacht back at Bowen and sailed out to Cape Gloucester. Gloucester Island is beautiful, absolutely stunning, where we can join the northern part of the wet Sundays and get back to those beautiful beaches and diving.